Hello everyone, my name is Gideons. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to take you through how we can use Google Meet to schedule our meeting and also join meeting. In today's video, we are looking at the Google Meet. When we say Google Meet is a Google app used for video conferencing. So as you can see, this is my interface right here, and if you want to join this, you just have to use meet.google.com. okay, so now on my screen here I have a place that says start a new meeting. You are here that says enter a code or a link. Okay, so now here, when somebody already create a meeting, the person share the link to you or a code to you, you come here, you either put in the code or the link here. So you join the meeting straight from here. That is, if somebody already created a meeting for you and you are joining with the code or link. Okay, now let's say you are now going to create your meeting. Okay, now this is the interface. We have the option to start a new meeting. So when I click on the new meeting button, I have these three options that says create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, we have schedule in Google Calendar. So we are going to look at all these three and how they work. So now we are going to start with the first, create a meeting for later. So if I click on this, now this here is your join information. So send this to people that you want to meet with. Make sure that you save it so that you can use it later too. Okay, so now this is the link that you are going to send to people that they can join you with, and you can also use this link to join the Google Meet yourself, so you can have a meeting with those people or a conference with the people you want to have the meeting with. So this is the instant meeting. What it does is that it starts an instant meeting with you. If I click on it again, so sorry, not the instant meeting, the create a meeting for later. Okay, it automatically generates a link for you where you can share it with people to join you in the meeting, and you can also join the meeting with the same link. So if you click on the copy, it automatically copies the link onto your clipboard, where you can paste it in your email or message and send it to people. So now that is for the first one. Now the second one, that says start an instant meeting. Start an instant meeting. So we are also going to look at the start an instant meeting. So now when we click on this as well, this is basically starting an instant meeting for us. So now you can see my video is on and my audio is also on. So here we can turn off our microphone. If you want to turn off our microphone, you can also turn off our video and also turn on our video. So these two here is for turning on and off our video and microphone. So if you put the mouse on it, if you hover on it, the instruction here says off the microphone, turn on, because right now it's off. So my mouse is on it, it's asking me to turn on. If I put the same thing to here, my video is off. So if I put this on, it's telling me to turn on my video as well. Now if we look at this side as well, so we have the joining information. Now you can add people to this meeting by clicking on this button. So when you click on this button, it allows you to add people by their email, where an invite to be sent to the people to join you in the meeting. So, or share this meeting link with others that you want in the meeting. Or you can also copy this link. When you click on this copy, it also copies this link onto your clipboard, where you can paste it in the email or message and send it to people, and people are going to use that to also join you in the meeting. Now when you look at this side also, we also have these emojis here. Now these emojis are for reactions in the meeting. Now when somebody says something in the meeting that you love, you can just click on this love love emoji. You can see the emojis are flying, so these are just giving reactions. So whatever emoji you click on, you can see it shows fly over on the screen. Okay, Now the third one, this is called captions. Now if I click on turn on captions, you can see this will be generating a nice little caption for me. So let me turn on my microphone first. So if I turn on my microphone now, you can see a clean, nice little caption generating there for me. So now in case you're in the meeting where people can hear you clearly or can get your accent clearly, now this is helpful because this automatically generates an accent automatically generates uh caption for your followers or your partners joining you in the meeting to take look through it. So you can see everything I'm saying is being generated for me as caption, which is pretty good there. I can decide to turn off my caption if I don't want it there. If I want it there, I can still turn it on, off. Okay, now my camera can also be off, my microphone can also be off. Now I can also click on this and hide the reactions there. Okay, now if I also click on the emoji there, you can see it shows all my reaction there because it's selected. If I can also click on it and to hide it. Now same as the present. Now we have present. Now this is if you want to present anything to your people in the meeting with you. If I click on it, now this gives me the option to present a tab. Now the tab is very useful if you want to present like a YouTube video or a site or something. You can use the tab. Now because on my Chrome tab I currently have two tabs here, so it's showing me here. Now you can either present a window, you can also present an entire screen. You present the entire screen if you are going to be switching from one screen to the other. Present a particular window as well, same as the tab as well. So if I should click on this, now the screen just shows here. So let's say I'm sharing my calendar, I can click on share. Now under it, imagine let's say you are sharing a YouTube video. You can see there is an audio option here. Okay, now you have to make sure this is on so people can hear the audio. Now in case you want to share a screen without the audio in the background of that particular screen, you have to turn this off. Okay, now this is useful especially if you are sharing a video for people to listen. You have to share the audio of that tab as well. Okay, so now if I click on share, now this is going to share my Google Calendar on my screen to the people in the meeting with me. So I have the option to stop presenting here, so I can stop presenting or present something else. So I can stop presenting. Next one, we have the raise hand. Now if you click on the raise hand, now this prompts the admin of the meeting that you, in case you want an attention of the admin or you want to ask a question. Now the raise hand gets the admin attention. So if you click on the raise hand, there is a message that pop up on the screen that this person raised his or her hand for you to see. Now right after that, we also have the three dots there. Now we have the change layout as the first one. We can change the layout how we want. Now we can have the sidebar where we want the people joining that meeting to be at the sidebar. We can have the full screen, or we can have a display of all the people in the meeting to be on the screen. So this, if you go with the tile, this will show the list of everyone in the meeting on your screen. This will show the spotlight. This will also show a sidebar of everyone on the meeting for you. So you can switch between these layouts depending on what you want as well. You can also hide tiles without video. So you can also do that. If you click on this, also do that for you as well. Then let's get back to here. We also have full screen. You also can go full screen. This your window will go full screen, so you can see we have it right there. So we also have open in picture mode. You also open your screen in picture mode. We have the apply visual effect, which will look at it. So for example, we have report a problem, report abuse, troubleshoot. You can also go to settings as well. Now the settings, this is the audio. This allows you to change the audio. Let's say you have a microphone connected, you can switch between the audio devices you have there. If you have a microphone, if you come here, you should see that microphone. You select it, you see that microphone there. If you have a speaker, headphone, or anything you are using, you can also have it here. Out here, you come to the video section. In case you also want to integrate a webcam, so if you come here to show you the list of webcams that you are connected for you to select. Now you have the resolution, it's automatic. If you want a particular resolution, you can also select it as well. Then we have receive resolution as well. So from there, we also come to general. This is just general settings from Google. We have the captions. Now you can also change the language of the captions that are being generated. So that's also the option for you to do that. By default is English. So in case you want you are using a language in French and you want the caption to be in French, you can switch it to French here as well. You also have settings about the reactions here as well. They can also get back here. Now let's come to the apply visual effect. Now when you come to the apply visual effect, now this allows us to change. So let me turn on my video for us to be able to use this very well. Now with the apply visual effects, now we can have the option to change the background of our video. Now we have list of so many images here that we can use. We can change our background with it. So any image, you can see any image that I select, it replace my background that I'm using here for me. Okay, that is for the backgrounds. Now if you look at here, we have three options. We have the background, we have the filters, we have the appearance. If you choose the background, you see all this where you can change the backgrounds here. In the same background section, we have this blur and personal background option. Now the first one, we have slightly blur your background. If I choose this will remove the image. So this will leave my natural background by to blur the background. The second one will also blur it more. Okay, now this is if you don't want to change your background but you want to blur whatever is in your background. The first one will blur, the second one will blur it more. The third option, you can add an image. Now if you have a particular image on your computer that you want to use for your background, you can also use this. Click on this will add an image for you to use as your background for you as well. That is for the background section. Now if I should come to filters as well, now these are some funny filters you can add to your video. So I'm trying to choose one filter and see if it will apply. So you can see I just select this filter there, so you can see the filter on my head right there. So if you don't want it, go whatever filter you want, you can choose from here as well. Then we have the appearance. Now this, you can adjust the video lighting here. If I click on this, switch this on, it will add more lighting to my video. Now we can have styles. Either we want black and white, we want cloudy, we want sunlight or moonlight. So these are all options to help us make our video more quality or how we want it to be for people to look at. So right from there, now we can also have the message area at the right button here. If you look here, we have the meeting details. This is what to see the details. If you click on meeting details, you can see the link here, shows you the link, copy info, and you can copy this and share to people. That's for the meeting. And show everyone follows there. You can also see this will show the list of everyone in the meeting. You see them there, the number there. You have the message section. You can also comment where you can chat between you and your followers. So I can say hi, and if I send this, you can see I have the message here, and this can all your followers can look at it as well. I can also pin this message. So if I hover on this, you see the pin there. I can also pin this on the screen. So if I pin this message, this will be pinned. So this will be filtered at the top. So in case you are in a meeting with a lot of people and you want to pin a particular message from one particular commenter, you can just pin that particular message and it will be filtered at the right top of all the comments coming in. So that's for the message section. So now for now, let's get back to the meeting screen as well. Let's look at the other option as well. So if I come to return to home screen, now if I come here, we are finally going to look at the third option here. So if I should click on the schedule in Google Calendar, this allows us to create our meeting, and our meeting is going to be shared in Google Calendar. So I can say meeting. So let me just say meeting 1 as the meeting name. Now you have the option to choose the date, the time zone of the meeting. The meeting is taking all day, you can choose it. Now you have the option to the meeting will repeat. If it's a daily meeting, you choose. If it's weekly on Saturday, you do that. Or if you want to add custom, you can also do that there. Now we have event details. So we have you have to find a time if you want to find a time, or event details. You can also say join with Google Meet. So this gives you the link where you can join them. So let's return back there. Then we also have the location. You can add the location if you of the meeting. Then we have the notification. This can notify you in your email when it's 30 minutes before the meeting. You can see it will notify you there. That is it there. You have it there. So this is the name. If you want to change the color of this, now we have the visibility, or if maybe busy or free, you can do it there. We have the visibility. This is public or private, is also there. You can also add description to the meeting as well. So let's just keep this for now. Let's save. Now when we save this, you can see right in my calendar here, I have meeting 1. Google has pinned the meeting 1 right in my calendar for me, which is very nice. So you can come to your calendar and see this later, and Google can also notify you with this. That's also the nice thing about this Google Meet. So that's for the scheduling meeting. So when it's time for the meeting, you can just click on the calendar. It shows you the details. Once again, you can get the invite link. Click on the invite link. You invite the people to view this calendar and join, or you can just click on the link to copy the meeting link, or you share it with people to join. If you want to delete this, you can also delete this from the calendar as well. So this is the screen. So this is basically for Google Meet and how it works. So once again, we look at this. Now we've been talking about link all the time. So let's say I have a meeting link. I just paste my meeting link in here. So let me get some meeting link here. Okay, I deleted this meeting. Let's generate a new meeting. So create meeting for later. I can copy this link. So assuming you have the link and it's time for meeting, you can just paste the link in here. So if you paste the link in here, you hit the join. This allows you to join the meeting. Okay, now in some cases it may ask you to turn off microphone or turn on camera. Also, if you want your video to be on, you have to be on. If you want my microphone to be off, it has to be off. So you have this option here. You can do all these settings right before you even join the meeting. You either turn off your microphone and video before you join, or you leave it like that and join with it. So you can join now when you are ready with every preview here, and you can also present right before joining the meeting. So if you want to present your screen right on the spot when joining the meeting, you can go with present now and to go with it. If you are ready with everything, you just click join, then you join your meeting once again. If you are done, you hit the leave, then you are off there. If you want to rejoin, maybe you left the meeting by mistake, you can rejoin, or you go back home. So that's basically for the Google Meet overview of Google Meet and how we can navigate through it and use it. So guys, if this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to like this video, and also give me a comment on if you want there's any other topic you want me to target or treat. You can also comment it, so I will also have a look at it and also make a video like this for you next time. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in another video like